So the device in my hand is an electric kettle. This is nolta electric kettle, and you can see this is the base of the kettle, base portion of the kettle, and you must simply take your kettle body. So this is the entire kettle body, and you must take this kettle body and you can insert it in this base. So you can insert this kettle body in this base. You can insert like this, and after that so in this handle there you can see this is the on off switch, and if you want to on you must simply turn on, and this is the off. So here it is written maximum minimum, and fill the this water between the maximum and minimum. Only use cold water. After inserting this water you can put it in this base, then connect this plug to the power socket. So if you power on, you must also turn on this switch, then you can see that the light being blown here. So when this water boils full, then you can see that the switch automatically turned off. After that you can turn off this switch, then you can simply press this and open. So this video is for more videos, subscribe and stay with the lesson online. Thank you.